There you are, my amazing Fit&Fab family. Welcome to another video. Recently I went to visit the villages to film a few videos with my amazing mentor, my amazing trainer, my amazing loving friend Deb, as you all know. Gosh, what a good time I had over there. And besides filming our workouts, of course we fit in a little bit of fun. We also met quite a few people that were interested in training with us, and Deb will follow up with them, see if she can help them to get in their best shape. Of course, you know, it's besides physical activity, diet is very important to that. But I wanted to share with you, and we were talking about the villages in Florida, okay? I know it's a retirement community, but oh, I tell you, it seems like they are so happy there. Even though it's really beautiful right now in Washington, but it's just different there. I don't know if the sun is a little bit better there or what. So before I show you what we did, riding golf carts, bike trails, going to the pool, and just having a really good time talking about diet, fitness. So I'll stop talking, but before we go on, I want you to subscribe, like, comment below, and share this amazing video. Enjoy it. Deb and I flexing for Flex Friday, enjoying the beautiful pool time, and that's us at the gym working on those sexy arms. One of many amazing bike and golf cart trails, trying to catch up Deb, surrounded by beautiful trees. And look at this beautiful bridge at the villages, only for golf carts and bikes. Oh, wait a minute, am I playing pickleball? Look at that. Ooh, making Major work. Go, Major. Look at these amazing shots Major got me and Deb. This is what we do over here. Good morning, beautiful world. Look at Zoe. Oh, such a love bug. She just likes to sit in her driveway. Beautiful. It's about, I would say, 70 degrees. Just a beautiful morning at the villages. I'm glad I could come and visit Deb. We're gonna go for a beautiful walk. I know. Oh my goodness, look at this freaking hilarious car. Tinted windows, it's all, I mean, how better can it get to hold your golf carts? It's like smart car, but I think, and it's air conditioned. I think it's so cute. You all know I love cars. Enjoying beautiful afternoon at Prima Italian Steakhouse with outstanding VIP service. That dish was something else. Love it.
Good morning, Fit&Fab friends and family. We are out here enjoying a beautiful walk. It's a beautiful morning. At the temperature at the villages. What is the temperature this morning? It's in the 70s already.
70s, while it's about 40s in Washington.
Hey, we're sweating already, and got my doggy out here. We're gonna walk up here a little bit and take you with us, show you some outdoor workout equipment that we have here, and come with us a little bit. Nadia's gotta leave today. I know, but we did a lot of work during her trip. We did a lot of filming, we did some band workouts, a lot of really cool stuff that's coming soon, so please stay tuned, subscribe and like. And for all you new viewers, welcome. Glad you joined us.
Hey, look at the shirts we got. Look at this.
Scan me. We got some really cool shirts that my husband made for us. Fit&Fab by N&D, and then the Scan Me in the back. So when we're walking around, or
look at this beautiful tree.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Look at these trees. Look, those amazing oak trees with the Spanish moss. Oh my God, so beautiful. Here's my mom. She's behind us. every single morning and every evening. Walk my dog 30 minutes at least each time. That's an hour of some good walking time, some cardio.
You usually get how many steps a day?
I average between 15,000 and 20,000 steps a day, depending on my activity.
Do you see what comfortable retired life gets you? But you gotta stay fit.
But you gotta stay fit. And look how beautiful. So over here we have pickleball courts, bocce ball, shuffleboard, and now we're coming up to some outdoor weight equipment, which we used during the pandemic because all the gyms were closed, obviously. I think everybody knows that. And although they're really light, like you use your own body weight, and we'll show you when you sit on it and do presses and things like that. I actually brought my bands out here, tied them around the post to add some resistance. And it's a workout, especially when it's 75, 80 degrees out here. You're sweating. Oh, we got somebody working out already. Let's check it out, okay?
Let's check it out.
Yeah. We did exercises like this for the back, right? I would do supersets and then come over here, bend over a little bit, work my shoulders. These are actually quite effective. My shoulders.
And basically you're using your own weight.
And using your own body weight. And then, hey, here's Dennis, my neighbor. Say hi, Dennis.
Hi. I'm not very good at this workout.
Look at this.
I'm gonna do reps, you know. Do a great workout with these.
Never seen that before. What a genius invention.
Isn't that great? And then over here, overhand and underhand, you know.
Oh,
Work your
wow.
biceps. They don't have a bicep machine out here, but if you do underhand, it works your biceps. Sometimes I would do this, pull them out, work my lats. Pretty awesome, huh? You're sweating. And then, like on this machine over here, you know, you get on it like this, do a little bit of cardio, this, you know. But I actually brought my bands out here, and Dennis, you could do the same thing. Here, do close grip rows. I would do this and work my biceps. I would do this and work my triceps. I mean, there's so much you could do out here with this equipment.
Yeah. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you later or in the next video.
Yep. See ya.
Those lonely thoughts in the sky, full of dreams and goals. Look at this beautiful view. Just spectacular. What are your goals? What is your outlook on life? Are you thankful for what you are? Are you thankful for what you have? I know I am. For everything and for everyone. And for you.